See us on the burn card, everybody agree?
That was corny.
Yeah, I see us right at cutoff.
Yeah.
Get good cutoff.
Yep, good cutoff. Ball rounds are closed.
Good residuals.
I agree.
Endeavour, good burn, no trim required.
Verify.
Thank you.
Check the tank isols, 4 open.
Okay, they're open, the talkback's open.
Boss feeds, 4 of them closed, talkback closed.
Okay, 4 were closed and the talkbacks are closed.
RCS, select lowest.
Okay, I'm there.
Out on the underburn page.
No pre-bank. It's on 3-34.
Power is coming flight MPS.
Okay.
Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. What a trip.
I'm calling the ground now.
Well, Pluto, I said it to Nancy and Rick, it was a great flight.
Woof.
Fantastic.
Thanks. Up my nose. All right. Okay, we're going to KSC 15.
Roger that.
The left-hand hack at 270-some degrees, 245 degrees, left overhead. Can you see my hand?
Let me get a flashlight on you.
Right, I need to come to get us some more light here.
Which lights you want? That's the overhead. That's the left and center.
Okay, well, I want you guys to be able to see.
Oh, yeah, I can see just fine.
All right.
Oh, what a light show. What a light show out the aft.
Is it really?
Take your mirror.
Do you have a mirror?
Yeah, I do. Let me get that.
Oh, that is awesome.
Spectacular. Look at the glow in the front. It's already pink.
Check yours.
We're doing 25, Mach 25.1. That's increased from what it was.
Just drag on it.
About a minute after closed loop guidance.
Yeah.
I hope everybody got their fluids in them.
I hope they stay in them.
Yeah, me too. How's everybody doing?
I'm doing great.
That's great.
We're fine down here.
Flashlight at the tape almost.
That's what I'm looking for. Can you see it? Tethered. Couldn't have gone far.
I can see some city lights, like, I don't know what that is. Shouldn't be able to see city lights up there, though. Oh, yeah, we're in a big angle bank. Yeah, I do see city lights then. And my Mach 19 steps are complete now. Those are all verified closed.
Okay, we're 0.9G.
Roger that.
I don't know what that was. It didn't sound good, did it?
No, it didn't.
That's impressive out the front window.
We can get it at 16 if you want.
Oh, I'm sorry.
1.4 Gs.
I like these little sparks that come flying over every once in a while.
Yep. Mach 16. R.
Okay, we're just slightly off. No big deal.
Nav looks,
10,000. Approach and land.
Endeavour, you're on and on. Winds 320, 5 gust 10.
Endeavour, roger.
Okay,
8,000.
good.
$6,000.
5,000 radar.
Roger, radar.
Check's good on 1 and 2. 4,297.
You're the man.
3,000. Boards. 40. 2,000. Proof our next.
In the flare, arm the gear.
Okay, armed. I have a light. 1,308. 800. 600. 500. 400.
Gear.
Gear's coming.
On the ball bar.
Ball bar. Gears down. 5255. 4245. 3230. 2220. 10210. Nice. 185. Derotate. See, 2, 2, 2. Backing up long.
See it? Okay, brakes are full open.
Okay, there's the 6 board. I see 6 feet per second. There's 8 feet per second. 5 board, it'd be 120 knots at the 5 board. Okay, I see 8 feet per second. Looking good. You will have 90 knots, 80 knots at the 4 bore. 8 feet per second. 40, ease off.
Houston, Endeavour, wheel stop.
Very nice landing, sir.
Endeavour, welcome home. Bob, that was a beautiful landing. And Bob, CJ, Jerry, Nancy, Jim, and Sergey, thanks a lot for an awesome job starting our space station adventure. We have no post-landing deltas.
Roger, no deltas. It's great to be home after such an exciting mission, Scott. And our congratulations to all the folks that worked so hard to make it happen. I'm so proud of everybody in this crew. Y'all done an outstanding job.
Okay, guys.
I saw 195.
We're on 5-3, and would you like the emergency lights on?
Please.
Okay?
Woof.
Unbelievable.
Beautiful landing.
Awesome.
Beautiful landing, Bob. Just like training.
Wolf from middeck.
All right,
Woof.
post-landing deltas. Let's not
None.
goof it up now.
Okay,
Break is
5-3.
already closed. I don't know about you guys, but I feel really heavy.
No kidding.
I want to go back to the node.